In this video, I'm going to compare Robinhood versus Fidelity. We will compare in terms of usability, features, cost, and more. So by the end of the video, you're gonna have a better understanding of which one is best for you. And with that in mind, let's get started. Fidelity and Robinhood are fundamentally different from one another since Robinhood is a more recent app-based investment platform that caters to younger clients, while Fidelity is a full-service, established financial brokerage organization. Since its founding in 1946, Fidelity has grown to become a major player in the online brokerage industry with a broad range of financial services and products ideal for both novices and seasoned investors. Since its founding in 2013, Robinhood has distinguished itself as a disruptor of the conventional brokerage market. It's crucial to remember that Robinhood's entire offering falls short of that of conventional brokers like Fidelity. Although both Fidelity and Robinhood are well-liked options for novice traders and investors, we'll examine some of their significant distinctions to help you choose which broker is best for you and your investment requirements. Usability. When it comes to appearance and feel for their respective platforms, Fidelity and Robinhood are very different. It might be challenging to compare directly due to the differences in products and services. To enhance the usability of its massive legacy website, Fidelity is redesigning the entire site. Fidelity's user interface is set up with a simple dashboard that includes the standard account information such as summary, positions, balances, activity, orders, and documents. Every section of the website, including customer service, opening an account, accounts and trade, planning and guidance, news and research, and investment products, are easily accessible through the menu items. Despite being created as a mobile-first app, individuals seeking the most in-depth experience might find it easier to use Robinhood's web portal. All website sections, including Invest, Crypto, Cash Card, Learn, and Support, are accessible via the main menu. Advanced charting was added to Robinhood not too long, but it can compete with Fidelity's downloaded Active Trader Pro trading tool. With the proviso that the feature depth of the two brokers is different, both Robinhood and Fidelity offer good usability. Trade experience on a desktop. The trading process is quick, easy, and streamlined on Robinhood's web and mobile platforms. While Robinhood includes the capability required for trading for novice investors, well-seasoned investors will discover that the trading platform is lacking in essential features and tools. Additionally, Robinhood's web platform does not offer any customization options. The trading experience offered by Fidelity has a smooth workflow as well, but it also includes extensive tools and research. Because of Fidelity's platform's extensive customizability, you may design unique layouts, establish trade defaults, set hotkeys, and more. The platforms offered by Fidelity also allow for basket trades and chart trading. These services are not offered by Robinhood. Both Fidelity and Robinhood offer adequate trading experiences for novice investors. However, for intermediate and experienced investors, Fidelity is preferable to Robinhood. Trade experience on the go. Investors who seek straightforward trading software without extra bells and whistles might consider Robinhood, mainly because it's a mobile-first brokerage. In light of this, a large portion of Robinhood's users are drawn to its mobile interface. Despite the fact that Robinhood's quote information streams in real time, it does not provide the same comprehensive facilities that larger, more established brokers like Fidelity do. For instance, the platform does not handle conditional orders, submission of multiple orders at once, or staging orders at later entry. You also cannot trade directly from the chart. Fidelity, on the other hand, has a robust mobile trading platform with many of the same features as its desktop trading platform. However, the app only offers a limited amount of fundamental analysis, charting, and research, and you are restricted from making conditional orders using a mobile device. Having said that, Fidelity just released a beta version that includes a lot of the additional features and its consumers have been requesting. While Fidelity's mobile offering is more comprehensive and a superior platform when it comes to the whole mobile trade experience, Robinhood is fantastic for straightforward trades. Additionally, we discovered that using both platforms on the web was simpler than doing so with a mobile app. This is a simple fact in Fidelity's situation, but it surprises me that Robinhood has improved its web platform rather than its mobile offering, which has gotten worse. Variety of services. Like other significant financial institutions, Fidelity provides a wide range of asset classes, including cryptocurrencies, which are recently included as a substitute for 401k providers 3, 4, 5, 6. However, an apparent exception is that Fidelity does not enable futures trading, and cryptocurrency is not yet available to retail customers. However, an apparent exception is that Fidelity does not enable futures trading, and cryptocurrency is not yet available to retail customers. Trading stocks, ETFs, options, and digital currencies are all supported by Robinhood from a single account. A non-custodial Web3 cryptocurrency wallet was recently developed by Robinhood. The wallet has been available since the end of 2022, and there is a backlog. With a greater selection of assets, Fidelity has a definite advantage in this field. Robinhood is not as suitable for investors looking for bonds, CDs, mutual bonds, or foreign trading as Fidelity. Types of orders. The difference between the order types at Fidelity and Robinhood is comparable. Market and limit order types are accessible on Robinhood, but conditional orders and order staging are not. A variety of orders are supported by Fidelity, though the most complicated ones are only available on the Active Trader platform. Market limit, stop loss, and trailing stop orders are available on Fidelity web users. At both brokers, conditional orders are not available to mobile traders. But Fidelity is beta testing this functionality, while Robinhood seems unlikely to make a change. The natural option if you're looking for advanced orders is Fidelity. Both platforms will work well for beginners who only need a rudimentary market and a few orders. Exchange technology. Fidelity employs its own smart order routing technology, which looks for the lowest price. A sale above the bid or a purchase below the offer occurs in 87.99% of shares, and the average execution speed is 0.05 seconds. Executing a 1,000 share marketable order will result in transaction cost savings of $19.24 on average when compared to the quote at order entry. Payment for order flow is not accepted by Fidelity for stock and ETF trades. The trade statistics for Robinhood are not made public. Investors may be left wondering whether Robinhood is really looking for the best prices for customer trades in light of the recent incidents surrounding trading limitations and the lack of transparency. Unlike Fidelity, Robinhood charges for order flow, which raises your trading costs as brokers may start looking for PFOF to increase their profits. Robinhood is on the high end in terms of PFOF per share and the total revenue from PFOF, even though brokers that accept PFOF are prevalent. Fidelity clearly outperforms Robinhood in terms of exchange technology due to its pricing improvement being significantly greater than the industry average and the fact that it doesn't charge for order flow. Costs. Robinhood and Fidelity provide commission-free stock and ETF trading. Like the majority of financial platforms available today, the trading of cryptocurrencies is also free on Robinhood. Moreover, neither broker charges for domestic wires, account opening, or account inactivity. Fidelity, on the other hand, does not impose a $100 transfer fee, but Robinhood does. A $5 monthly Robinhood Gold membership, which comes with a $1,000 in margin, is required to make a trade on margin. Over $1,000 in margin usage, interest is payable at 7.75%. The margin interest rate at Fidelity is 10.0575% for a $10,000 amount and 9.075% for a $100,000 balance. The interest earned on cash, margin interest, portfolio margining, and stock loan programs benefit both brokers. For order flow, Robinhood is the only one that gets paid. While all of Fidelity's goods and services are accessible without charge, Robinhood charges $5 per month for its Robinhood Gold account in order to acquire margin and other services. Fidelity is generally more economical than Robinhood. This is especially true when you take into account the entire value of Fidelity in terms of platform capabilities, which is a major factor why Fidelity was named our top overall online broker and best low-cost broker in 2023. Research resources. Along with several third-party research reports, Fidelity provides extensive research screeners for stocks, ETFs, fixed income, and options. Users of Fidelity can get access to charting, trade idea generators, technical and fundamental data, and more. Even among its competitors, Fidelity's research services are superior, placing Robinhood at a significant disadvantage. Asset screeners are absent from and limited in Robinhood's research services. Users of Robinhood Gold receive access to Nasdaq Level 2 market data powered by Nasdaq Total View and Morningstar stock analysis reports. Recently, Robinhood enhanced its charting features and now offers more sophisticated charts and indicators like Bollinger Bands, Relative Strength Index, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and more. Although this is the basic minimum, traders will see that it is a huge improvement over Robinhood's graphing. High-level professional traders will likely be satisfied with Fidelity's detailed research. Fidelity offers basic and advanced research screeners, charting, and external research that can significantly raise the caliber of information used to make investment decisions for average investors. Comparatively speaking, Robinhood's research capabilities are limited. Robinhood's lack of research facilities is regrettable because the broker's younger clientele would benefit significantly from greater assistance in this area. Investment analysis. The portfolio analysis tool from Fidelity includes data on both your external accounts and Fidelity assets. The fundamental Fidelity account dashboard examines the typical performance, asset allocation, gains, and loss information. Following the connecting of external accounts, the Fidelity Free Financial Plan offers a graphical representation of account assets along with comparisons of industry sector weighings within your portfolio and an asset allocation that includes industry weighings. Similar to a human financial counselor, the planner provides computerized assistance. When particularly compared to its larger competitors, Robinhood provides virtually little portfolio analysis. Balances, margins, and purchasing power are all visible in real time, but that's about it. Your portfolio value is displayed on the home screen as a one-day graph, and you may change the time period displayed at the bottom of the graph to see specific dates and values. Asset allocation analysis, internal rates of return, and the way to calculate the tax implications of a scheduled trade are all missing from Robinhood. Fidelity has won the investment analysis contest without a doubt. Fidelity's investment analysis tools are appropriate for both novice and experienced investors. Education. With the inclusion of new investment-related content geared towards novice investors, Robinhood recently enhanced its learning platform. In addition, the app provides snacks, a daily email newsletter, a podcast, and a few YouTube videos. The training material provided by Robinhood is straightforward and appropriate for people looking for how-to guides on the platform and foundational concepts in investing. In contrast, Fidelity's training materials are appropriate for all levels of investors, from novices to professionals. Articles, videos, webinars, and recorded webinars are just a few of the many ways in which Fidelity's instructional materials are offered. Additionally, Fidelity offers the interactive coaching sessions through the Trading Strategy Desk, where you can ask a qualified trading coach questions. Fidelity offers content that is designed to help you through significant life transitions, like getting married or cohabitating, divorcing, going to college, losing a loved one, purchasing a property, etc. An investment glossary, an extensive FAQ section, and guest access allow non-users to use Fidelity's instructional offerings for research. Overall, Fidelity has a strong educational selection and easily defeats Robinhood in this division. Consumer assistance. In terms of customer care, Fidelity and Robinhood are very different from one another. There isn't a phone number, hence you can contact Robinhood for support. For a callback, you can add your own phone number. Robinhood's callback function is accessible around the clock. Robinhood also features a chat area. Robinhood's poor reputation for customer support may be attributable to its web-only strategy. On the other hand, Fidelity has a chat box and a phone line that is open 24/7. Additionally, you can engage in live online chat with a broker or agent. Fidelity branch offices are found in most significant American cities. When it comes to customer service, Fidelity outperforms Robinhood significantly. Security and insurance. Both Robinhood and Fidelity have secured measures that meet industry standards. Both provide biometric recognition, two-factor authentication, and additional security for unidentified devices. Fidelity provides firewall, secure email, encryption, and round-the-clock system monitoring. Both businesses provide SIPC insurance for investment accounts as well as FDIC insurance for cash accounts. The fundamental protection levels of $500,000 are covered by Robinhood's SIPC insurance, including $250,000 for cash. Additional SIPC insurance from Fidelity protects up to $1.9 million in cash per account. Fidelity also possesses excess insurance coverage for an additional $1 billion. This insurance offers a defense against business fraud, institution failure, and firm insolvency. Assets cannot be covered by insurance against typical market volatility. At Fidelity and Robinhood, the security measures adhere to industry standards. Due to protection for larger asset levels, Fidelity will provide best services for large investors with more assets. Account formats. Fidelity offers all of the most popular types of accounts in addition to a lot more. There are numerous types of accounts that you can open, including account for taxable brokerage, individual retirement account rollovers, conventional IRAs, the Roth IRA, heirloom IRAs, SEP IRA, 401ks for independent contractors, the simple IRA, depository accounts, accounts in 529, accounts for medical expenses, youth account, accounts for trust and estates, full service accounts. Before introducing IRA and Roth IRA retirement vehicles to qualified consumers in January 2023, Robinhood, in contrast, only provided taxable cash and margin accounts. If money is put electronically and kept in the account for 5 years, these accounts will even match 1% of the deposit up to the annual federal total maximum. With extensive selection of account kinds, Fidelity is by far the leader in terms of account types. In conclusion, in a contest between these two brokers, Fidelity prevails for everyone except the cryptocurrency investor feature. Since Fidelity offers a wide range of products, customer support personnel, platforms, and educational materials, it is a good option for all investors from novice to seasoned. When it comes to basic stock, ETF, and options trading, Robinhood does the job well. However, this is already viewed as the bare minimum. Despite this, Robinhood is a contender in the cryptocurrency space because of its free cryptocurrency trading and planned Web3 wallet. Fidelity does not presently have a direct presence in this market. Despite the recent enhancement to the study portal, novice investors should study investing outside of the Robinhood website before investing a sizable amount of money in the stock market. In the end, practically all investors, and most definitely those who are interested in direct cryptocurrency exposure, should choose Fidelity over Robinhood. So, which company are you going to go for your investment journey? Fidelity or Robinhood? Please let me know in the comment section below. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.